Hello YouTube again. My other two packages came today, and as you can see on this one, it's a low profile floor jack because I've been having issues with jacking the car up since I lowered it, and this should fix the problem. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. Here's the handle, and here is the jack. Here's the handle to pick it up with. Now as you see, it's really low profile because my other floor jack, it starts about 3 inches higher up here, and that's fine when I have air in the tires, but if I ever have a flat, it'll sit lower than the 3 inches right there, and I'll have a problem getting the jack under the jacking point so I can jack the car up. So this should fix that. It's about 3 inches lower in the front, so you can slide it in there. It has a low front right here, and then it slopes up. So that's it. That will definitely help me if I ever have a flat on the road and trying to get a jack under the car to jack it up. So now let's take a look at the other little package I got today. This is my PCV valve that I wanted to get. My car originally has the original PCV valve on it. It never gave me an issue, so I never replaced it. Since I'm going to be going to this car, fixing up everything, I might as well replace this now before I have to do the major supercharging and other work to it. You can see here, got a O-ring that goes right here. The vacuum goes on top right here, and this right here is where a harness plugs into the PVC valve right here, so it can monitor everything. So that's it for today. I got a bunch of packages coming in, but these are the first two shipments that came in today. Of course, this is going to be Thanksgiving, so there won't be no videos tomorrow, but I got a bunch of packages scheduled for Friday and very important stuff that I need to get closer to getting that supercharger put on. So that's it for today. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy yourselves. Eat, enjoy it, watch the games, and I'll see you Friday.